What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Bitcoin, guys. Currently sitting at 45,358. We're sitting at a market cap of 852 million. 24-hour volume is 35.15 billion. So let's just hop straight into it, guys. If you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto earning app and receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we had this little bit of a double bottom. It didn't quite reach its technical target, and then we rolled over. We are still seeing low volume. Now we do have this double top pattern here, and your technical target is down here at 43,424. For Bitcoin to invalidate this, it would have to come up and break this neckline. If we were gonna have a throwback, we are getting rejected by the 20 EMA. So it would have to get back above the EMAs and invalidate this double top structure, and then you could see that continuation. But as of right now, we are seeing low volume here. So there is one thing I wanted to make you guys aware of on the RSI, and that we had quite a significant bounce on the hourly off this level at about 30 on the RSI. You can see here, we fell underneath the EMAs. We created a double bottom, and we had a significant bounce, and we saw the continuation of the uptrend. So if we were to see us get back above the EMAs and see an increase in volume, that's when you could see that reversal. But as of right now, we are seeing low volume. So our technical target is down here at 43,424. If we continue to see that sell off here, it's also the 0.5 on the Fibonacci. So we're going to pop over into the 4-hour time frame. So we can see here we have lost the EMAs, we've lost the 20, we've lost the 55, and currently we're back testing the 55 as resistance. So if we do come down and find 43424, I think it does give us a really good opportunity to bounce, because if I pop over to the daily, it also lines perfectly up with the 20 EMA here. And you can see here we came up, we had a correction, we bounced perfectly off the 20 EMA. So that we may see that happen again. Now, if we were to lose that particular level of support, you would target your previous swing high here, which is at about 42,484. I do think there is a high likelihood that we will bounce either off 43424 or a little bit above that, as it will line up with the 20 EMA here. We do have our technical target from our rising wedge, but we're in a strong uptrend, guys, and I really don't think we're going to come down to that technical target, in my opinion. We did have our bearish divergence on the 4-hour, and we saw some sell-off here. The price was rising while the RSI was falling. We were seeing that decrease in volume, as well as on the daily. We still have our bearish divergence. We're creating higher highs and we're creating lower highs on the RSI. Now we are currently resting on a previous swing high, as you can see here, a previous swing high where we're currently holding support. So if we do break that level of support, then I do think we would come down to 43424. We do need to see us invalidate this neckline of resistance, previous support, to invalidate this structure and see that throwback, to see that continuation. So those are your targets, guys. We are still seeing low volume, and when you see the volume start to tamper off in an uptrend, it does signify sell-off here. But I do think there's a high likelihood of us bouncing off the 20 EMA, and then if we were to lose that level of support, do target the previous swing high here at about 42,484. And then your next levels of resistance, once we break our high at 47,778, is right around 50 to 51K, this zone here. You can see where these wicks came down to, in between 50 and 51K. And then we have the 0.786 up here at about 54,547 for Bitcoin. All right, guys, so healthy correction that we're going through here. Do keep an eye on the 20 EMA. I do think that will give us a good opportunity to bounce. So that's it for this one, guys. Make sure to sign up to Bybit for up to $1,600 in bonuses. It ends today. Make sure to follow me on social, check out the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.